Have you ever looking at an apple falling from the trees? Or someone who is riding a bicycle? Or maybe someone who is washing a car? Do you know what is the similarity between these three things? Right, all of these three things are creating motions. Now, do you know what is the science behind motion? Right, the science behind motions is Newton's laws of motions. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Hana Shafira from IPSE 2018, and in this video, I'm gonna explain about Newton's laws of motions. Do you know who is this guy? Right, he is Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton is the scientist behind the science of motions, or also called as Newton's laws of motions. Sir Isaac Newton stated there are three laws of motions. The first one is Newton's first law, Newton's second law, and Newton's third law. Now let's find out what is Newton's first law, what is Newton's second law, and what is Newton's third law. Newton's first law, or inertia. It said that a body at rest will remain at rest. A body in motion will remain motions unless it is acted upon by an external force. This is the examples. For Newton's first law or inertia, there is a free body diagram. This is the object. The object will have normal force and also weight. Weight is mass times gravitational accelerations. And for the total force of this object is normal force minus weight. So the total force equals to 0. Now for Newton's second law. Newton's second law said that the force acting on an object is equal to the mass of that object times its accelerations. This is the free body diagram for Newton's second law. This is the object. The object will have normal force, weight, and also moving force, and also the accelerations. For the force of this object is mass times its accelerations. Now for Newton's third law. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Action and reaction. For the free body diagram of Newton's third law is like this. The object will have normal force, weight, action, and also reaction. For the force from A to B plus force from B to A, this one will be equal to 0. So we can say that force A to B equals to minus force B to A. Now, for the examples of Newton's law applications in science. The first one is Newton's first law or inertia. One of the examples is marble games. There is a force working on the marble. For the other examples are bowling and etc. For Newton's second law, the applications and the examples are glide animal locomotions or sugar glider, postcard, passing card in a supermarket, etc. For the glide animal locomotions, it is like shown on the slide. The total force equals to mass of the animal, in this case is the sugar glider, times the gravitational accelerations, because the sugar glider is moving and motion to downwards, so it uses the gravitational accelerations. Like this, the accelerations is equals to gravitational accelerations. Now for the Newton's third law, the examples are squid locomotion, paddling a canoe, swimming, and squash sport. For the squid locomotion, it is shown on the slide. This is the action where the squid pushing the water backward, and the reactions is their body will move forward. There is also Newton's law applications in engineering, and one of the example is water rocket. Water rocket itself is applying the three laws of motions. The first one is Newton's first law, is when the rocket will remain on the launch pad until an unbalanced force is exerted, propelling the rocket upward. Newton's second law is when the amount of force depends upon how much air is pumped inside the rocket. And Newton's third law is when the action force of the air and the water as it rushes out of the nozzle creates an equal and opposite reactions, force propelling the rocket upward. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.